What's up guys, Average Tech Guy here, and today we're back with another review. This time we are going to be installing the privacy screen by Whitestone Dome for the iPad Pro 11. Let's check it out. So when you get this open, this is what you have on the inside. You actually have the privacy screen with the privacy glass right there. It's in a piece of plastic. I'll set that to the side. You get some dust removal stickers and you get a alcohol wipe. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna always clean this screen off. So got an alcohol wipe, and this is a pretty wet wipe. Clean that screen off. Got it nice and clean. There we go. Sit that back down, and I'm gonna take a terry cloth and basically just dry this off. Circular motion, circular motion, circular motion. Get that nice and dried off. All the smudges, all the fingerprints, all the little dust pieces, all those off of there. Next, I'm gonna slide this over and center it. That's what I'm gonna do. And then I'm gonna take one of these little dust stickers, and we're gonna pull off all the excess dust. Okay, got all that off. Dust is gone. Okay, you ready? Here we go. Peel about halfway down. We're gonna line that up. Once you get it lined up to your satisfaction, you're gonna just hold it in place. Hold in place and peel that piece of plastic right out of there. Nice and slow. And you're basically gonna just watch it kind of adhere. It kind of just adheres by itself. It's gonna just come on down, come on down, come on down. See if you can see it. It's basically just closing in on itself. There we go. We may have to give it a little bit of help, but for the most part, we are done. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get these air bubbles out, and basically just getting air bubbles out is you're going to just push to the edge. Just keep pushing to the edge. They're right there along that line. So you're going to get all those out. Air bubbles are gone, and whatever air bubbles remain behind, those are basically going to come out within a couple of days or so. So you don't have to worry about them too much. They're going to resolve themselves. Now, moment of truth. We are going to get this iPad on and see how the privacy works. Okay, so we got the iPad on and privacy screen looks really good. Let's turn it to the side. iPad disappears and turn to the side. Screen disappears. Screen disappears. Screen disappears. So basically, only if you're sitting right in front of this iPad, you're going to be able to see what's going on. Every other thing disappears when you turn to the side. So big thumbs up to Whitestone Dome. They got it right. They nailed it. Privacy screen looks good. As always, guys, I'm going to come back in a couple of days, let you guys know how this feels, how this fits, how this works, how it writes. I'm going to do a follow-up just to let you guys know, because there's no way I could tell you right now. I need a few days in a case, a few days of wear and tear, and make sure we got all those bubbles out as well. But I'll come back in about 3 or 4 days, let you guys know how this works. But for right now, this has been the installation of the privacy screen by Whitestone Dome for iPad Pro 11. Until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.